Hello everybody and welcome back to another Weather Guy video. Today we have a coastal storm brewing. Basically, for the rest of this video, I'm going to be calling it a nor'easter because that's what it is. Coastal storm and nor'easter are used interchangeably. Usually nor'easter, they use it when it's snowing, but there is snow with the storm. I don't know why this wasn't named a winter storm, but let's get into it. First I made a handy-dandy picture, trying to make my thumbnails a little bit better. So over here we can see there's going to be a lot of snow and a lot of rain. So this thing is going to pack a powerful punch. Here I have, let's go back to here. So right now this is what the storm looks like. It is a little bit heavier, a little bit more intense than it shows here. But as it starts to move north, you can see right now it's at 1,002. All right. So bombogenesis, which is what Ulmer did, is when a storm drops 24 millibars, which is basically this number right here. That's how many millibars it is in 24 hours. So at 19Z Friday, if this is 24 or more numbers less, then it is bombogenesis. So we're looking for about 978. So let's click through this. We get that. That's just a glitch. We can already see 999. And this storm, especially on this side, it's going to get more organized as it moves north. And it's also going to get more thunderstorms. Like, look at all these strong thunderstorms out at sea. Those are going to come on shore up north. This is an inland nor'easter. So that's why we're going to be seeing most of the snow on this back end over here. But let's keep on clicking through. For most areas, it's going to start off as rain. Like D.C., you're all rain. Philadelphia, you're going to be all rain. New York, you're going to be all rain. Then we get into Hartford, Providence, and Boston, where you're going to start out as rain. Albany, you're going to start on a rain, basically the rain-snow line. Buffalo, I think you're just going to get some wraparound snow. Then inland New York, Vermont, and New Hampshire are going to get hammered with heavy snow after Connecticut, Rhode Island, and southern Massachusetts get hammered with thunderstorms. Then, as it moves north, that gets converted into these pink areas of snow, which is very, very intense. Then, as it continues to move north, the low pressure moves east of New York, moves east of Connecticut, and then it's going to continue moving east. Now we're at 988. So, it's already dropped 14 millibars. So then it continues moving. We're at 986 now. Continues on 982. This is really what is going to perform the real strengthening of this storm. Then, this is when areas like Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts are going to see some snow. Maybe even New York, but I didn't see anything for that. There, we're at 980 millibars. Then, this is when you're going to get a lot of your snow in Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. You're going to be picking up maybe an inch or so. Not significant, but for this year, kind of is. Then, I think there was a second that it was 979? No, not yet. All right. So we keep moving along. There's 979 as it moves into down east Maine. Then it makes landfall. Then it gains millibars. So basically it weakens and moves off. Now, you saw with this storm. Let's go really fast through this thing. you can see, I'm going to keep having this play as I explain it, that there's a lot of rain and there's a lot of snow in this system. As you can see, let's drop this a little bit. You can see that there's a lot of thunderstorms on the south and eastern ends, then that all twists toward the north. And there's a lot of snow on that back end. Now, let's pause that. Let's go to our accumulated precip. All right, most of this is going to be from your thunderstorms, but notice that the areas that are getting the snow are going to be getting a lot of moisture as well. So the areas that are going to be picking up a lot of snow, if the northern end, probably not going to see as much. That's going to be more of your fluffier snow. That's going to be more of your dry snow. Dry, if you throw it at someone, it's just going to go poof, and I didn't even hit him. Then this area where there's a lot of like these bright blues, that's a lot of moisture, and that snow is going to be dense. That's your snowball snow. That's your snowman snow. That's your snow fort snow. That's like the buildable, packable snow. Then, even through like your thunderstorms and everything, we're going to get a good 1/2 inch to 2 inches of snow. Not snow, rain. 1/2 inch to 2 inches throughout most of the I-95 corridor. And then even further back into that, where you're going to get most of that circulation, that's where you're going to see more 2 to 3 inch rain totals. Now your snow totals. Bam. Most of that was in this Vermont to Pennsylvania heavy, wet snow. So in certain elevations, you could see some powdery snow. But generally, you're going to be looking at a lot of wet snow. Especially like when you get tomorrow, I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, so on Friday when down East Maine, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, when you guys get your snow, it's going to be that wet snow. But there's some surprisingly large snow totals for this storm. We're not looking at a lot in like these lower areas, but in the upper levels, like your ski resorts in Vermont, New York, I think there's some in New Hampshire too. You're going to be looking at, and even back into the Appalachians, there's going to be a lot of powder on there. Well, not powder. There's going to be a lot of snow on there. So definitely going to be a skiing weekend for those who ski. Now let's go back into the broader look at everything, because I do want to go over everything that's going to be happening in the country over the next couple days. So after this coastal storm, today and tomorrow we're going to see a storm come out of the Rockies, and we're also going to see a new storm come on the coast of California. That's going to jump 1/2 to 2 inches of rain. Then in the Midwest, you might be seeing 1/2 to 1 inch of rain, but still, with the flooding that we've seen over there, any rain is bad rain. So we're going to see that ramp up, and there might be some tornadoes in Oklahoma, Texas. It is a very small band as well, and some snow in the Rockies. But then that moves off. So really, we're not going to be seeing anything other than this big coastal storm. Just some other small events that are going to bring quick punches of rain. Now, I did see that this storm that's going to crank up in the Midwest kind of morphs into something in the east. So the GFS is showing it. What? Yeah, the GFS. What is going on here? Oh, okay. All right, figure that out. It does show it bringing some snow, but I mean, with the GFS, it's been really just accurate or completely wrong type thing. I don't know what's going on with that. So basically, what I would tell everybody at the moment, this coastal storm is going to pack a punch, and then some more rain for the Midwest. Not something that you want. Then you have a new storm in Northern California. I mean, California has had a crazy wet season this year, and we're getting a little bit more rain. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel below. Also, comment and like this video if you enjoyed. Also, follow me on Instagram. I did make my Instagram public, so you don't have to request and then wait for me to accept it. You can just hit that follow button and you're following me. I do give weather maps in the winter. I don't know what I'm going to do for spring and summer and fall, but I'll definitely be posting those weather maps more next winter. But I'll figure something out, and if you have an idea, just post it in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy March Madness if you watch that, and I will see you guys next time.